My name is Joe Unsworth. I'm a research associate in the Learman Benthic Ecology and Coral Restoration Lab at the University of Miami. A focus of my master's research was using cement, just one of the most ubiquitous materials on the planet, to outplant corals. There's more people getting interested in coral restoration, more locations being interested in it, and a lot of these locations don't necessarily have the same access to funding that we might have. So there's a lot of interest in coming up with less cost-intensive ways of doing coral restoration. This is not the first time this has been done. There's actually cases documented of it happening back in 1983 in the Philippines, but it hasn't really been as widespread as you would think. It's starting to become a little bit more widespread at different organizations, including ours. That's all we use now. My research showed that it was healthy for the corals, and it was very efficient and very cost-effective for us, so it was a big win in all departments. The corals were happy, and therefore we are happy.